Hey, keep quiet. Shit. Get lost. Looks like a new plant is coming from that dying leaf. This one could be a new plant. This is one of that aquatic fern that does well in these pots without holes in it. And then you can, if there are not too many plants, you can water once a week and all. You can fill it up till here. It can take a good amount of sunlight, like what you can see here. It also survives underwater. It can survive underwater, and then in the summer also, if it's a nice moist location and everything is ideal, it will not wither away. And probably from the leaves get damaged and all, it becomes a new plant. It has that capability, generating new plants. What it looks like. This is that I forgot the botanical name, but it's one of the aquatic ferns that grows inside the water. Nice fleshy leaves are there. I'm not sure whether it's eaten somewhere or not, but to research it a bit. From what I could gather, there's only one species or two species in India of these aquatic ferns. But there's one more understudied topic, so it's a good likelihood that more are there.